Hi, everyone. As the topic suggests, we're today talking about not making some humongous shifts. We're just saying committing to about 1% of changes that we implement, not by making major shifts, but collectively, these can compound into humongous shifts in your lives. These techniques that I share with you are so that you can start bringing about that 1% shift, that 1% change. If you had 100 days to make a big, massive shift in your consciousness. And you started today. Every single day, you make that 1% shift. It is going to eventually lead you to make that major shift that you've been looking for. Be it your nervous system. It is not something that we are trained on how to regulate it. Our emotional system, we really don't know how to regulate our emotions either. So, how can we make this one shift? And how that 1% can compound is the effect that we're going to talk about in this video. So, as always, no gyan, only the technique. So, go ahead and let's get started. Find a beautiful, comfortable position for yourself where you can be seated undisturbed for the next 10-15 minutes. Why do we want you to be seated versus laying down? Is so that your physiology learns that this is my moment to do something different than what I normally do, right? So, go ahead, feet firmly grounded. We'll start with regulating our breath. Neck straight, head straight. And when you're ready, go ahead and close your eyes and go. As you close your eyes, take a deep breath. And breathe out, exhale. Take another deep breath. And exhale. Remember, you do not need a breakthrough. We are only talking about a 1% shift every single day. As you anchor this into your system today, take one last deep breath and this time feel that air pass your nose, your nasal passage, go down your throat, into your chest, and into your belly. And let's go ahead and exhale one last time. As you close your eyes, focus on your breathing. Let me show you what this really looks like in your body right now. Think of a person. Think of yourself as the person who is completely at ease with money. Not rich, not grinding, not hustling, just at ease. Money comes, stays. You receive it without guilt. On a scale of 1 to 10, how far from this person do you feel right now in this one moment? Give it a number on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. Whatever is the number that you have, let this be your starting point. Now you're going to just let this feeling settle in. We're not going from that number to 10 today, we're just going 1%, remember? Take one more deep breath. And exhale. What would feel just 1% more at ease right now in this moment? One small thing, one tiny shift in how you're holding your body, your breath, your shoulders. Go ahead and find that 1% within you. And let your body actually feel this. Right now, at this 1% shift, press the thumb and first finger of your right hand together gently and hold it in place. Feel the shift and let your body memorize this state. And see how this makes you feel. Just 1%. Feel the ease. This is your wealth anchor. 1% more at ease with receiving. 1% more at ease with preparing your mind and body and environment. Through the day, today and tomorrow onwards, fire this anchor first thing in the morning. First, find that 1% more. Very simple. Go ahead and loosen up your palm. Install it again just by pressing your forefinger and your thumb together. You will start doing this a couple of times in the day whenever you feel the overwhelm of too many things that you have to do but are not able to. You can also utilize this when you think you're not doing enough. Just 1%, that's all the commitment that we need here. Keeping your eyes closed, go ahead and take both your hands, cross them, one on your heart, your right hand goes onto your heart, and your left hand on the other side. Let's go ahead and anchor this further. Slowly start tapping, left, right, left, right, left, right. And as you keep tapping, repeat this after me. I am 1% more the woman or man who receives today than I was yesterday. And that is enough. Keep tapping 1% every day. Not a revolution. This is evolution. And that too the most sovereign kind. As you keep tapping, feel how this feels within your body. What is the emotion that comes to you? Do you feel a sense of lightness when you do this? When you take the pressure off performing based on 100% hikes, 100% profit, 100% performance, 10x performance, 1%. Bring that anchor back to 1%. Tapping, and with a deep breath, exhale anything that's holding you back. One more time, repeat this after me. As you tap, I am 1% more the person who receives today than I was yesterday. And that is enough. One more time. I'm 1% more the man, the woman who receives today than I was yesterday. And that is enough. 1% every day. No revolution. Only evolution. Only elevation. And that too the most sovereign kind. Take a deep breath and open your eyes. You can stop tapping now. Let me know how this feels. If you think this resonated in some form or way, help you calm down a little more, bring a little more faith within yourself, and that you're doing enough already, then I think we're done here. Keep coming back to this video. It's a very short technique so that you can do it anytime when you're feeling the overwhelm of not doing enough, of not being enough, or not having enough. 1% shift. You can just keep coming back to this for the next 21 to 40 days, whatever works for you, to calm yourself down and say that you are much ahead of the curve because not even 1% of people are actually working on themselves to do this. So be kind to your mind. And if you feel like a conversation, the link's in the bio. Go ahead and set up that call. We do a lot more practice of this sort within the community as well as with the clients. So if you think you are ready for more deeper work, you can go ahead and set up a call. Thank you so much for watching. Always in love and gratitude from Tejal.